video, I'm going to take you through how to set up Mailerlite for the first time. First off, what is Mailerlite? Mailerlite is an email marketing service, and it allows you to collect email addresses, segment them, send out newsletters, and also set up autoresponders for when people sign up to your list. You can create campaigns with quite complex if-then sequences, and you can design gorgeous looking emails using their email editor. What I love about Mailerlite too is that there is a free tier that allows you to use all the functionality of the full version for up to 1,000 subscribers, which is great for new bloggers. After that, the monthly fee is cheaper than most of the other platforms, including ConvertKit and MailChimp. Before you start your application, you will need an email address from your domain, such as yourname@yourdomain.com. Unfortunately, you can't use a free email address such as myname@gmail.com. If you don't have a domain email address yet, head over to your web host to set one up. It is very easily done, and if you have problems, do raise a ticket with them. They will surely be able to help you. You will need to make sure you can access any emails that come through, because Mailerlite will be sending you an email during the verification and approval process. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is to head over to the sign up page and enter our company name and the email address that we created for our domain and a password. Then click Create My Account. Now Mailerlite is going to take you through an approval process, so the next thing we're going to do is to click on Complete Profile. On the next screen, you'll be asked for more details, including your address. For your industry, you could select Blogger, and then some information about how we intend to collect our subscribers, which will be through an opt-in form on our website. And then we're going to fill some information in about what sort of content we will send to our subscribers, which will be newsletters. Have I used another email marketing service before? Yes, I have used Mailerlite before, and I've used WordPress, and also I have used WooCommerce Shop. How did I find out about Mailerlite? Let's put a Google search. Yes, I've read the anti-spam policy and I agree. I'm not a robot. Click Save. So now we're back on the approval screen, and the next thing to do is to click on Request Approval. And here we're going to verify our website, so I'm going to put in the URL of my website here and click Next. In the next screen, enter the email address that you have for your domain. It must be your domain email address and not a free one, and click on Next. Now we're going to get an email sent to the email address that we entered, so in this case it's penny@sparklingpenny.com. So I should find, here's my email address here, so all I need to do is click the button. And now we're at the stage where Mailerlite is going to approve our account, so we need to wait for that review process to happen, and we should get an email telling us whether we have been accepted or not. So that's it for this video. In the next video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Mailerlite account with your WordPress blog so that you can start getting email sign-ups. And also, before I go, don't forget to check out my blog post that accompanies this video. You'll find a link to it at the bottom of this video.